how to create new roles on Discord. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Discord application, and you have to make sure to open the server that you own, or you have the power or the ability to create a new roles on Discord. Now here on the upper part, you'll see three dots there. Tap on that and go to settings directly, and scroll all the way down up until you see the user management section and tap on roles. Now here on roles, you'll see the list of roles that is currently in that server, and on the upper right you'll see the plus sign icon there. Tap on that, and here you are now able to create a new role here, and you just have to name the role here and then change the color. If you're done creating the role here, tap on create, and you will now be able to add the members that you want to be added here, and tap on finish. And if you go back here to the server roles, you will see the new role here. And basically that is how you create a new roles on Discord, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.